Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, everyone. Very happy to be in all of your midst. Let me begin by offering prayers. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Ram Navami is a few days away. This Wednesday, which is the 21st, we are celebrating the Ram Navami. So today we shall reminisce and prepare ourselves for greeting Lord Rama on his appearance day. So let's begin with a bhajan which is actually composed by Tulsidas, Goswami Tulsidas ji. So this is something which I'm sure many of you are very familiar with. And let me share the screen. And this song is going to be sung by, I'll be playing the recording of one. Let me share this. Okay, so I hope you're able to see this, and can somebody just acknowledge if you're able to hear me?
Yes, we can, Prabhu. We can, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes,
Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Okay. So this is a very famous bhajan glorifying the divine attributes of Lord Ramachandra, beautifully composed by Tulsidas ji. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana. And I'm playing an audio recording of a famous artist, Surya Gayatri, who's a disciple of Kuldeep M. Pai. Very thankful for this wonderful rendition of this bhajan. So let us absorb ourselves in the very beginning of our program in meditating on the wonderful qualities and attributes of Lord Ramchandra as depicted by Tulsidas ji in this bhajan. So here we begin.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram. मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम सिरमुकुट कुण्डल तिलक चारु उदारंग विभूषणम् आजानुभुज शरचापधर संग्रामजित खरदूषणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम इति वादते तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनिमनरञ्जनम् मम हृदय कञ्जनिवास कुरु कामादिखलतलगञ्जनम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुखकर कञ्जपद कञ्जारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम
So that was the beautiful Sri Ramachandra Kripalu bhajan. Let us begin with, let's move on with darshan of Lord Ramachandra. I request Ragini Mataji to, we have compiled some darshan of Lord Ramachandra around the world before we can begin to describe about his qualities.
અનમ્યુટ કરવાનું ને કેમ
I'm just sharing.
just try again. You have to come out of it and try again.
Let me see some. Raghavi Mataji or Ragini?
Prabhuji, you're able to see my screen?
No, I think I'm not able to see the screen. It's frozen actually for me. I'm not sure if others are able to see. You want to try? Yes, it says yes. Now we can see yes. So can you make it full screen or is it already in full screen? Okay. So here we have, oh, we lost the screen. Lord Rama's darshan around the world. And we have, once again, yes, yes. So that was, yeah, can we move forward? ISKCON Kanpur Darshan. Yes. So Sitaram, Lakshman, Bhakta Hanuman, very wonderfully decorated by devotees. So many fruits and beautiful garlands. Lord Ramchandra is. This is, yes, this is in Watford, Bhaktivedanta Manor. Again, Sitaram, Lakshman, Bhakta Hanuman Darshan. ISKCON Lima, Sitaram, Lakshman, Bhakta Hanuman. This is in Juhu, Maharashtra, the state of Maharashtra, in Mumbai. This is actually Krishna and Balaram, who are in the attire of Ram Lakshman. These are the Mula Vigraha of Krishna Balaram in ISKCON Bangalore. On the day of Ramanavami, they are decorated as Ram Lakshman. Yes.
I always get confused, Prabhu, which one is Balram and which one is Krishna. How to identify?
Yeah. So when you are having darshan like you're having darshan now, on our right side is Krishna. He's in Rama Lankara. He's wearing the green color gem, and the one who is wearing blue color dhoti, that is Balaram, who is in the Alankara of Lakshmana. So both of them are in the main altar, Bangalore. Yes, can we move forward? This is in Kanak Bhavan, Ayodhya, the birthplace. This beautiful temple that's coming up. Bhadrachalam, Shri Sita Ramachandra Swami. In Andhra Pradesh, yes. In Karnataka, Hirimaglur, Sri Kodandarama. Kodanda refers to the bow that he carries. So Kodandarama. Again, here we see Sri Sidai Amman, Sri Lanka. Sitaram Temple. Tamil Nadu, Tulur, Sri Kodandaram Perumal. In Madhya Pradesh, this is a Ram Mandir of Sitaram Lakshman. Yes. Thank
Can I
you.
stop the screen sharing?
Yeah, you can stop. Yes. Thank you, Mataji. I think, can you stop the screen share?
Prabhuji, I'm unable to stop the screen share. 1 second.
Yes. So we just had a beautiful darshan of Lord Ramachandra on this occasion when we're trying to reminisce his pastimes, his glories, his attributes. Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, he talks about this. There is this Beautiful verse, I'm sure you're all aware of. Yada yada hi dharmasi. Can somebody help me complete this verse?
Shall I try, Prabhuji?
Yes, go ahead.
Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavatu bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatpyam sujanyaham
Yes.
paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya dushkritam
Dharma.
dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Sorry for mistake if I made a
No,
mistake.
very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Very wonderful to hear. Yes, these are very important verses where Krishna is talking about Yada Yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. Whenever there is dharma glani means when there is a decline in the practice of Sanatana Dharma. And when there is a rise of irreligion, Yada Yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. Abhyutanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. I will descend. I shall descend. Just like in this Kali Yuga, Krishna has descended in his Nama, in his holy name. He has mercifully appeared. Likewise, whenever there has been trouble in the practice of Sanatana Dharma on this planet, not only this planet, all over the creation, Krishna descends in his various incarnations. His incarnations are compared to the waves on the waves of the ocean. Just like the waves, you can never count the number of waves. If you sit on the bank, if you sit on the shore, and if you want to count the number of waves, you can never reach the end of it because it is unlimited. Likewise, Krishna's incarnations are unlimited. One of the incarnation of Krishna is Lord Rama. As Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Aham sarvasya prabhavaha matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante ma bhudam bhava samanvita. Aham sarvasya prabhavaha. I am the source of everything, all creation, including I am the source of even the Vishnu Tattva. Krishna is the source. That's why he said, Aham sarvasya prabhavaha. And we also hear many such verses from the Brahma Samhita, which is composed by Lord Brahma, where Lord Brahma says, Ramadi Murtishu Kala Niyamena Tishtan Nanavatar Makarod Bhuvaneshu Kintu Krishna Swayam Samabhavat Paramaf Pumanyo Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. So it is said there are so many incarnations. Ramadi, Adi, that means Rama, Narsimha, Varaha, Kurma, Matsya. So many are there, unlimited are there. Ramadi Murti Shukala, Niyamena Trishtan, Nanavataram. Nanavataram means unlimited incarnations. Krishna Swayam Samabhavat Paramaf Pumanyo. Paramaf Pumanyo. Krishna is the origin of all this incarnation. Unto that original personality, Adi Purusham, Govindam Adi Purusham, Tamaham Bhajam. As these are the prayers from Bhagavad Gita, from Brahma Samhita, wherein we can understand. So, Lord Rama is a very beloved incarnation. He is very fondly remembered for his wonderful qualities, especially in India and around the world, of course. It is one of the meanings of this word Rama. It means reservoir of pleasure. Reservoir is like you can have, when you build our house, we have a tank, a small container, or it can be, a municipality tank, a bigger container, and then there can be a pond, or it can be a river, or it can be the sea. All of them have limitations. So, reservoir of all pleasure. That is why it is said, Ramante yogino anante satyananda chidatmani iti brahma padena so param brahma Iti Rama Padena, so Param Brahma Vidhiyate. Ramante Yogino Anante. Ramante Yogino Anante. Those yogis, the topmost of all the yogis being the bhaktas, the bhakti yogis, they derive great joy. Ramante, Ramana means to enjoy. Ramante Yogino Anante. What is the nature of their enjoyment? Ananta. Ananta means unlimited. How do they enjoy unlimited bliss in their life? How do devotees they enjoy unlimited bliss in their life? Ramante Yogino Anante Satyananda Chidatmani. By engaging themselves in the loving service of Satyananda Chidatmani, in the loving service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is embodiment of Sat Chit and Ananda, Sat Chit Ananda Vigraha. Iti Rama Padena, so Param Brahma Vidhiyate. And that personality is known as Rama. That personality who is the reservoir of all pleasure. Iti Rama Padena, so Param Brahma Vidhiyate. So this is one of the understanding of the Nama of Lord Rama. It is very interesting if we began with the bhajan of Tulsidas ji. Shri Rama Chandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. He is instructing Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana. He is giving instruction to his mana, to his mind. What is instruction? He is saying, my dear mind, you please remember the most merciful Ramachandra. Why I should remember Lord Ramachandra? What is the benefit of remembering Lord Ramachandra? So he is saying, Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. He's saying, my dear mind, if you remember Lord Rama, what will be the result? You will be freed. You will be freed. Harana. Harana means you'll be freed from. From what? Freed from the fearful, most cruel. What is cruel and what is the cause of such a great fear for a living being? Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Bhava Bhaya. Bhava means this material existence, or what we say is Bhava Sagara. This ocean of repeated birth and death in this material existence. This is a cause of great anxiety. For a sober person, is able to understand that I am living in this world which is certified by the Creator. The Creator has given a certificate. My dear child, this material world that you're living in, don't make plans to remain happy here, because this place is designed to give you misery. Krishna is saying in the Bhagavad Gita, Dukkhalayam Ashashvatam. Dukkhalayam. Dukkhalayam means this world is a source of misery. And it is Ashashvatam, temporary. Your existence is temporary. Yesterday, the world witnessed the funeral of Prince Philip. I saw some glimpses. He lived a very long life, 99 years, but he was not allowed to live any longer. One will be forced to quit his body. Forced. And one will be forced to take another body. So this is the Bhava Bhaya Darunam. One has to acknowledge that this is actually the cause of real suffering. Nobody wants to, we are happy to remain in the illusion. Generally, when we talk to people and tell them that, see, there is next life. So they choose not to believe. No, I don't believe in next life. this is it. So this is the life I have. Life is very short. I need to enjoy to the maximum capacity that I can in this short tenure that I'm here. So if you tell them, no, you're thinking like that, actually, you'll be forced to enter into another body. Maybe if I have to enter, no problem. Anyway, I will forget my previous life. So doesn't matter if I'm born as an animal or a... So it may be very simple to say that, but no sane person would want to live the life of any of these creatures, be it a dog or a cat or an insect, or we don't even know, or a devata. All of these, from the insignificant microorganism to the most powerful devatas. Krishna says, Bhutva Bhutva Praliyate. Bhuta Gramasya Evayam Bhutva Bhutva Praliyate. From the lowest insignificant organism to the most powerful personality, Lord Brahma himself, who's a secondary creator of this creation. Everybody has to undergo this cycle of repeated birth and death. Nobody is spared. An intelligent person should prepare himself to overcome, how to put an end to this cycle of repeated birth and death. That is why Tulsidas Ji is saying, Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. If you absorb yourself in remembering Lord Ramachandra, what is the result? Result will be you can cross over this fear of entering into repeated birth and death, because it is a fact. Just like in this body, we are undergoing suffering of disease, old age, and then finally there is death. Again, next body, same experience. Body after body after body after, continuously we are stuck in this chain. So how to get out of this? So he's advising you, please remember, Krishna is also saying in the Bhagavad Gita, Man mana bhava mad bhakta. Think of me. Krishna is saying the same thing. Same thing. Man mana, think of me. Mad bhaktaha, become my devotee. So Tulsidas is saying, please remember Ramachandra. And try to, and by doing this, you'll become free from these clutches. These clutches are such that nobody else, no person in this entire creation can give you relief from this suffering. Nobody can help. Nor Boris Johnson cannot help. Modi cannot help. Biden cannot help. Putin cannot help. No powerful person on this planet can help you. Only Krishna can help you. Only Ramachandra can help you. Which is why Krishna is saying in the Bhagavad Gita, Devi hiesha gunamayi mama maya duratyaya mamevaye prapadyante maya metam tarantite. Devi hiesha gunamayi mama maya. Krishna is saying that this Maya Devi, she is my divine energy. She is my energy. Devi hiesha gunamayi mama maya. This Maya Devi, she is the one who is inflicting. She is making sure that all the living beings are undergoing this repeated cycle of birth and death. That is her. She is like the prison in charge. We see Durga Devi. She is the one who is responsible for making sure all the living entities in this creation are undergoing their term of punishment. That is her business. Although she herself is a devotee, we worship her as Vaishnava Devi. There is a temple of hers where she's a Vaishnava. She's a devotee of Krishna. But her duty is to make sure that all the living entities in this, like in the prison house, the jailer has to make sure that all the jail inmates, they are provided with their due facilities and they undergo their term of imprisonment. That is her job. So Krishna is saying that Maya Devi, that Durga Devi, she is my energy. She is my dasi. She is my servant. Devi hiesha gunamayi mama maya duratyaya. And Krishna is saying, you cannot overcome her control by your own means. No, you cannot. Whatever you may do, whatever research you may do in science and technology, however powerful you may become, you can never overcome her influence and her control. Deiviyeshu gunamayi mama maya duratyaya. Then how do I overcome? How can I ever overcome this fierce material existence? Harana bhava bhaya darunam. How can I ever overcome these clutches of repeated birth, death, old age, and disease? Krishna is saying, Mam evaye prapadyante mayam etam tarantite. Mam evaye. Mam, Krishna is saying, you have to surrender to me. Mam evaye prapadyante. Prapadyante means you need to surrender unto me. Mam evaye prapadyante mayam etam tarantite. Then you can cross over Maya. On your own, you cannot. But if you surrender to me, only then you can. So this is how Tulsidas is instructing his mind that please remember Rama. Then you can cross over. It is interesting to note there is a very wonderful conversation that takes place in Ayodhya. So this is a time when Vishwamitra Muni, he is performing tapas in the forest, and he is facing some disturbance from some demons. So he approaches Dasharath Maharaj in Ayodhya and to seek his help in managing these demons who are bothering his tapas. So when Vishwamitra Muni comes, so at that time Dasharath Maharaj is seated. He is seated on the throne with all his ministers, with Vashishta Muni and all the other important people. So the moment he sees, he gets to know that Vishwamitra Muni is coming, so he immediately arises from his seat because such an exalted Brahmana is come, and he offers him respects, goes down, falls at his feet. And this is how they exchange their pleasantries. Just like when we have our meetings in our office, like we have our meetings in Akshay Patra. Every Monday when we meet, when we log in, everybody says, morning Bhavani, morning Radhika, morning. Everybody says morning, and that's how we exchange pleasantries in official meetings. So here, it's interesting to note how Dasharath Maharaj exchanged pleasantries. So he's asking, Aihishtad yattat punarjanma jayaya. Aihishtad yattat punarjanma jayaya. Oh my dear sage, how is your business of conquering over birth and death going on? How is it? How are you making progress? This is how he greeted. Aihishtad yattat punarjanma jayaya. Punarjanma jayaya. Victory over this cycle of birth and death. Because he knows that all these great sages are endeavoring very vigorously to conquer over the material existence and attain the shelter of the Supreme Lord. So this is how he raised his concern. So we can see how this was the culture that is prevalent. Common people, for that matter, even about, say, 75 years ago, need not go. Ramayana happened many millions of years back. Treta Yuga story. Even about 7,500 years back in this country, even a common man knew that the goal of life is to overcome this cycle of birth and death. Overcome bhava bhaya darunam. Harana bhava bhaya darunam. Even he knew. Everybody knew. That is the success of a civilization, wherein everybody is oriented towards the ultimate goal of life. So this is an incident from where we can see Dasharath Maharaj's concern. And of course, as we see the conversation, Vishwamitra Muni narrates to him about why he has come, what's his concern and all that. And Dasharath Maharaj was very attached to Rama and Lakshmana. So he said, oh, if you're having some trouble, I will personally come. I will personally see that whatever difficulties you are facing in the forest will be addressed. I will come. So then Vishwamitra said, no. I want Rama to come with me. So he was actually very much attached. He did not want he was a young boy at that time. But then Vashishta Muni assured him, and then after that, Rama and Lakshmana, both of them, they go. And then we are aware of this pastime of how Tadaka was killed by Lord Ramachandra. She was the one who was causing trouble to Vishwamitra. So like this, there are many such wonderful instructions of Lord Rama. There are many lessons that we can learn from this epic Ramayana, which is compiled by Valmiki Muni, which has got the entire description of Lord Ramachandra. Even in the Srimad Bhagavatam, there are portions. This is in the 9th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. Lord Rama's pastimes are described in good length. There is it is also to think of another a few more of such wonderful attributes and glories of the Lord. There is we're all familiar of this pastime of how Dasharath Maharaj, he had given 2 vows to Kaikeyi, his dear wife, one of the 3 wives. And there is a very beautiful description how it was already decided and everybody knew in entire Ayodhya that tomorrow there is Pattabhishekam. Lord Rama is going to be crowned as the king after Dasharath Maharaj. Everybody knew about this. And it was just 1 day to go. And everybody were celebrating and eagerly looking forward, because Lord Rama was very, very dear to all of them. Everybody loved him so much. And they were all getting ready to come with various presentations for the pleasure of Lord Rama, cleaning their house and decorating their house to welcome the new king and all of that. So just the day before, you can just imagine these are all the king of Ayodhya then was the emperor of the whole world. He was the emperor of the whole world. So he was going to be crowned as the emperor. And at that time, Dasharath Maharaj calls Lord Ramachandra and he tells him of these 2 vows that has been asked by his by Kaikeyi. And so he orders him that I want you to go, I want Bharata to become the king, and you must go to the forest for 14 years. So everybody else around, they were all shocked to hear, very shocked. One day before, and this kind of a news is being conveyed. But then here we can see in the response of Lord Ramachandra, many wonderful lessons that we can learn from. He did not bat an eyelid. He immediately agreed to his father. Yes, father. And he had no remorsefulness. He had no lamentation. Oh, I was going to become emperor. My father is sending me to forest. Oh, what is this? What is this? He had no lamentation. He did not rebel. No. How can you do this? I am going to be the king. I will see who will come in the way. By Bharata, no, Bharata cannot come. You promised me. I have to become. No. He was not attached to any of these things. He was concerned about obeying his father and very obediently accepted the instructions and went to the forest. Dasharath Maharaj himself was shocked. Himself was shocked that he has to give such an order to his son. And he was so pained to see that his beloved Rama has to undergo this kind of a plight, that in that shock, he passed away. He could not bear to see Lord Ramachandra undergoing this kind of a situation. He's very, very sorry about what was happening. But we can see how he was. This is a quality that we can see in Lord Ramachandra. So wonderfully he's exhibiting equanimity of mind. No attachments. Whatever is required in the service. Of course, his father was not an ordinary person. He was a great devotee himself. So this is very, very important attribute that we can learn from this. When we are engaged in the service of the Lord, one should be ready to render service. Whatever is requested or ordered by the spiritual master or his representative. This is a very important element. In fact, there are many conversations where Prabhupada says to his disciples that if you remain a brahmachari, you are freed from 75% of all botherations in your life. You are freed from so many botherations, and you can peacefully, you can engage yourself in devotion service without much botheration. But then he doesn't say 100% one will be able to go back to Godhead simply by remaining a brahmachari. No, that is not the criteria. The criteria, and Prabhupada clarifies. He says, but if you remain obedient to your spiritual authorities, to the spiritual master, 100% you will go back to Godhead. So this is something we find this quality being demonstrated by all these great personalities. Although Lord Ramachandra doesn't have to carry out anybody's order. He's Supreme Lord. Everybody is his subordinate. But he's demonstrating. He does not have to accept any spiritual master. He does not have to become a disciple of Vashishta and Vishwamitra. No, he doesn't have to. They are all subordinate to him in his original position as the Supreme Lord. But still, he's, by conducting himself in this way, he is teaching us on how we should conduct ourselves. Krishna also. Krishna didn't have to become disciple of Sandipuni Muni, go to the ashram. He doesn't have to do all that. But he's teaching. He also accepted a spiritual master and faithfully carried out the orders. Faithfully. Whatever his spiritual master ordered, he carried out. He demonstrated. This is how one should carry out the orders of spiritual master. And Prabhupada says, and Prabhupada also talks about this, how he has been successful in his mission to broadcast Krishna's glories all over the world. And he says, because the secret of my success is I tried sincerely to execute the order of my spiritual master. My spiritual master ordered me to go to the West, and I tried my best in this regard. Therefore, I have been successful. He says this. So this is a very important value and a lesson. I was sharing this yesterday also on another platform. How we see all these values are very more or less lost. One mother was sharing with me. She lives in Warwick, and she was telling me that she has grown-up children. They are in the university, and they don't seem to be taking her advice on choosing their partner. So she was concerned about it. She's saying they don't even want any. They don't even want to take an introduction from parents. They want to go about on their own. And she was telling, she came to know that the son is living with an English woman. So she was requesting the son that at least you choose a Hindu woman as your partner. So that way you'll be connected to our dharma, and you can celebrate. You'll observe some festivals at home. You can remember the Lord. So she was sharing her grief and concern that how they don't listen. They're on their own. So anyway, that's the reality we live in. That's which is why in the Vedic culture, from the very beginning, 5 years of age, one is sent to the Gurukula, and he is taught, and he's trained up in Brahmacharya till 25 years. They're trained up, and then if they wish, they can enter into Grahastha Ashram. Otherwise, they can continue as Brahmachari. So anyway, these are all of this is not. This was the glorious culture of the Vedic culture of the past. But the same result can be attained even now if one engages in the practice of devotional service. Even though we may not have the protection and the support of the culture that was existing, but if somebody sincerely engages in the service of the spiritual master and follows the instructions, then he or she will experience the same values, the same ethos developing in our consciousness. All of that. It is said, Yasyasti bhaktir bhagavata kinchana sarver gunae satra samasate sura harav abhaktasya kuto mahad gunat manorathena asati dhavato bahi. Yasyasti bhaktir bhagavata kinchana sarvair gunais tatra samasate surah. Sarvair gunais tatra samasate surah, which means all the divine qualities which is seen in the devatas will start manifesting in the persona of a devotee who is engaging himself in the loving service of the Supreme Lord. They will start manifesting. So even now, it is never too late. Even now, if we begin to engage in the devotional service of the Lord as per the directions given by the spiritual master, we will see in our own life how all our contaminated consciousness will get cleansed and all good qualities will start manifesting. There's no doubt about this. This is 100% true. So like this, we can see from the life of Lord Ramachandra, so many wonderful values that he champions, wonderful attributes, his activities, they're all so glorious. So given that we have Ram Navami coming in 3 days' time, I request all of you to try to observe this wonderful day by following some simple things which will attract the mercy of Lord Rama on you and your family. So you could try to rise early on that day, wear fresh clothes, and we observe fasting till sunset. We observe fasting, and if you find it difficult to observe complete fasting, you can take some water, maybe some fruits, and during the day, it's a working day, so maybe challenging for most of you, but you can try to chant this holy names of the Lord on that, because these are all special days which are imbued with the blessings of the Lord. One can make a rapid advancement in one's spiritual journey on these days, very auspicious days. Compared to any ordinary day, on these days, if you take any step towards Krishna, towards your spiritual progress, you'll make tremendous advancement. So you can try to chant more number of the holy names of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mataji shared, there is a link on how you could observe a vrata. You can try to hear, this is Ramanavami. We should try to hear the glorious pastimes of Lord Ramachandra from Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayana. We should try and hear about these pastimes of Lord Ramachandra. And then, yes, you could try out some special recipes on this day. I'm happy to share a link with all of you. There are some dishes which are traditionally prepared on Ram Navami. Can we have? Yes, Mataji has shared that link also. You can access this link. I'm sure you're all familiar with Panakam, Kosambri, and these are some of the traditional dishes that are prepared on Ram Navami. After breaking the fast, we generally have these things. So you could also try these special recipes very dear to Lord Rama. You can try these recipes at home, and yes, so that way we can make the best utilization. And if you do take some time out to also have darshan of the Lord on that particular day. Our Krishna Balaram in ISKCON Bangalore are going to be adorned in a very special alankara of Rama Lakshmana. So this is something that you can try. So let us now proceed and chant 108 times the holy name of the Lord, chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. And after that, we'll continue with some more aspects of the Ram Navami celebrations. So we have some surprise, I should say, portions waiting for all of you. So here I'm sharing. Yes. So if you have your beads, please take your beads out. You can chant the Hare Krishna mantra 108 times, starting with the Panchatattva mantra. Please repeat after me. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Let us chant 108 times. The same Hare Krishna mantra you can chant on the Ram Navami day for more number of times. If you have not started chanting, please chant every day at least one mala. And yes, this is something I wanted to also share. When we are chanting, this was this question that I came across, and generally people have this question. When we are chanting, what do we see in our mind? Was the question that came. When we are chanting, we don't see anything. The process is to chant and to hear. Our attention is on hearing every word that we vibrate. Chant and hear the very sound that we vibrate. This is the whole process. If we try, our mind is always trying to distract us from hearing the sound. We will be thinking of You're planning for the day. What can I cook now for afternoon? Um, this assignment is pending. I need to purchase this from the store. That is happening. This is happening. So many things are going on, and mechanically my tongue and the beads are moving. This is not the way to do japa. No planning, no processing, no trying to visualize some form, some picture, even if it is of Krishna. No, you're not supposed to do that. Japa is a time when we vibrate the Hare Krishna mantra. It has to be done audibly so that you can hear. And in a way, and what is the mind doing? The mind is paying attention on hearing every word that I am vibrating. One has to hear. This is the whole tapasya. And you will see how it's not very easy, because the mind is constantly going in different directions. Like a monkey. Monkey is very restless. Sometimes in one branch, another branch, jumping here, jumping there. Chanchala. Chanchala means restless. So that's the nature of our mind. This is the tapasya while chanting. One has to make sure mind will go away, bring the mind back and make the mind hear. Again the mind will go away, again bring it back. So we should constantly keep doing this. When we are hearing, then we are associating with Krishna, who has descended on our tongue. Whenever we vibrate, Krishna descends. But if we want to have the association of the Lord, one has to pay attention by hearing. If you don't hear, then although he has come, he is not able to give his mercy to us because we have not paid our attention. It's like he has come to our doorstep, but we are not receiving him by opening our doors. When you pay attention, you're opening your doors and receiving the Lord to come in. And when Lord comes, everything becomes auspicious. Everything becomes purified. So we'll experience the transformation, all the cleansing. So that is the process. So having said this, let us chant 108 times. So here we go.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
So that was 108 times chanting the holy names. Now, let us. There is what is called as Rama Ashtotra. 108 times, 108 names of Lord Rama. So this is also something that we chant on special occasions of like Ram Navami. So out of those 108 times, we have selected a few names. I think we have about 11 names, and I request Ragini Mataji. I think she's yes. So Ragini Mataji is she's an initiated disciple of Srila Prabhupada. She's working with Capgemini as a software architect. I request Mataji to lead the chanting of the auspicious names of Lord Rama. You can share the guidelines. What we could do is Mataji will be calling out, reading the names, and all of us, we will follow after her, and we will see the names displayed. So you can switch on your mics and read the names after she finishes. So some of us, there may be some syncing issues. Somebody may finish early, somebody may finish later, but I'm sure Mataji will take care of all of these things. So over to you, Mataji.
Prabhuji, could you please give me the co-host for
I had
this?
given you, I'm sorry if I missed that.
I've logged in again. So
Okay, okay, sure. Yeah.
Okay, listen. 109. One is Raghav.
Do I miss? Yeah. can see that. I hope we have the access now. So request everybody to give a try. Please switch on your mics and let us follow Mataji as she will lead, and then we can chant after that. If there's anything else, Mataji, you would like to share, please go ahead.
Om Shri Ramaya Namaha.
Om
Shri
Ramaya
Namaha.
Om Ramabhadraya Namaha.
Om
Ramadraya Namaha.
Om Ramachandraya Namaha.
Om Ramachandraya Namaha.
Om Shashvataya Namaha.
Om Shashvataya Namaha.
Om Rajiva Lochanaya Namaha.
Om Rajiva Lochanaya Namaha.
Om Srimate Namaha.
Om Srimate Namaha.
Om Rajendraya Namaha.
Om Rajendraya Namaha.
Om Raghupungavaya Namaha.
Om Raghupungavaya Namaha.
Om Janaki Vallabhaya Namaha.
Om Janaki Vallabhaya Namaha.
Om Chaitraya Namaha.
Om Chaitraya Namaha.
Om Chitamitraya Namaha.
Om Chitamitraya Namaha.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. So that were 11 names. We have the entire list of 108 names. We'll share that with you. Mataji will be sharing that in the chat box for all of you. So you can refer to that and chant the 108 names if you have time. And I'm also happy to share with all of you on some glimpses of how we celebrate Ramanavami here in ISKCON Bangalore. So let me share this with you. Yes. This is how we had celebrated in 2019. I hope my screen is visible, and here we go.
ब्रह्म परात्पर राम कालात्मक परमेश्वर राम शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर राम कालात्मक परमेश्वर राम शेषतल्प सुख निद्रित राम ब्रह्माद्यमर प्रार्थित राम चंड किरण कुल मंडन राम श्रीमद्दशरथ नंदन राम कौसल्या सुखवर्धन राम विश्वामित्र प्रियधन राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम.
So the yajna that we saw, that was the Ramataraka yajna. We saw beautiful Pallaki Utsava, the Utsavar Murtis of Radha and Krishna decorated in the form of Sita Rama Alankara, and the devotees carry on the palanquin and they receive Julan Seva, Arati, on all of these things. So, so we'll close with this, and I look forward to meet all of you next week as we continue our regular Bhagavad Gita sessions. Do share with us about your experience today on how you could relate with Lord Ramachandra and the small celebrations that you have. If you have any suggestions, we would love to hear them from you. So till then, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Krishna Prabhuji, can I ask a question?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. If there are any questions, any comments, happy to address. Yes. And please. Yes.
Prabhuji, there is one question in the chat.
Chat. That's the one.
Yeah, I think I'll come to the chat box later. If somebody wants to ask a question.
Prabhuji, can my husband ask a question?
Yeah, please. So let's do like this. I think maybe we can, it'll be helpful if you raise your hands and then one by one we could, everybody can take turns. Otherwise, there may be some confusion. I don't know whom to ask and who is first. So, okay, since you are in the screen, you could go ahead, Dr. Yashwant, please.
Yeah. Jai Prabhuji.
Very good.
Sorry about it. Yes. It's a very inspiring story from it's a fact of Valmiki, who was even bandit and became a very Rishi, very monk and Rishi,
Yes.
very, very pious. But unfortunately, my mind is such a, like, even we know things, but it's so much with contaminated things. And of course, you have mentioned, we do know that they coming to chanting and puja and things like, but the mind is like a monkey, as you said, and it's diverts.
Yeah.
And
True.
I think probably the God doesn't want back with him and Maya. That's why he has a very strong Maya, which we continue in this worldly matter. And that is what, but it should be like a strong antibiotic should be.
Yes, doctor. No doubt about this. This is a very, very powerful antibiotic against the infection of this. This is called as Bhava Aushadhi. This Aushadhi for the process that our acharyas have given, they are invincible. And it is never too late. It is never too late to begin this, and you will experience this as you will start your practices. How this is so liberating. You can see in your own experience how much you will become free from anxiety, how much you will become fearless, how much you will develop attachment to the Lord. So this is all a simultaneous thing. The more we as we put in our efforts in the practice of Krishna consciousness, we will become more and more detached from all the material way of life. We will lose interest in all material activities, material enjoyment, and we will see proportionately our attachment to Krishna, hearing Krishna's message, glorifying Krishna, and serving Krishna, serving the devotees, that will increase. So there is no, Prabhupada says, nobody has to give any certificate on whether I'm progressing or not. You can see for yourself. It is just like when a hungry person, he comes and you are serving him food to feed him. So in the beginning, he's, no, give me more, and he will ask you for more servings. Gradually, his hunger will get diminished. And he will say, enough, I cannot take any more. Why? Because he knows that my hunger is gone. He's the best person. Nobody else has to say whether his hunger is satiated or not. He will tell, no, I cannot take any more. Like that, we can experience. So, so my best wishes are with you in your journey. And the whole purpose of this forum is to help each other in our journey towards Krishna.
And just a small one thing, the chanting mantra, is it okay if we chant like Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare?
Yeah, if you have there is no harm. You can chant this way also.
Thank you.
We chant Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, because this is how we have received from the parampara. And this is how the Acharya has instructed on how we can chant. But it is not that it is something wrong that if you chant in that way. Lord's name is always auspicious. So there's no harm.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, anybody else had any questions? I saw somebody was calling out. Mataji, you, okay, yes. The screen is at your home now. So we could finish with you before we can move on. Go ahead, Mataji.
Okay. My question was that Lord Rama is an ideal son, ideal husband, ideal king, everything in ideal way.
Yes.
And obviously, I accept that he was a god and he took the human form and to teach what is the ideal, the definition of ideal person, how he should be. But sometimes when I talk with the younger generation and talk, and they says, well, he left Sita Mata, so he can't be ideal husband. And because he listened to the washerman and Dhobi, and I mean, I understand that obviously that time the ladies, respect of ladies was not that much, or whatever the reason Lord Rama left Sita Mata. But I just feel it that it's difficult for younger generation to make them understand that if he was ideal in doing, you know what I'm saying, Prabhuji.
Right.
That's
Yeah. Now we come across this question when we talk to people. They try to find fault with Lord Rama.
No, I'm not trying to find a fault. I'm not trying
No,
to
not
find
you, not you. I'm just saying. So they say, so anyway, since you brought this up, so the background of the whole episode was that actually the whole pastime of Lord Rama abandoning Mother Sita was actually embodying his sacrifice. Now the reason is the king has a duty towards all the citizens that they don't deviate from the path of dharma. So it so happened that there was a washerman, and he mentioned to his wife, this was in the context that this lady had gone to another man's house, and the husband was upset about that. And so he said her, he mentioned to her, this washerman told his wife that you are going to another man's house, so I cannot accept you in my house. And he actually asked her to leave the house and go. And he said, I'm not like the henpecked Rama who accepts his wife, who has, although she has lived in another man's kingdom. So he's referring to Sita Devi, that she spent her time. She was kidnapped by Ravana and she lived in Lanka. And then, although sufficiently, it had been, she had demonstrated her chastity, the Agni Pariksha, and all of that. So there was no question about Mother Sita's character. But because this person, he was deriding Lord Ramachandra, he was deriding Mother Sita. So therefore, to set an example for all the citizens, so that they do not, because king has a responsibility to ensure that all the citizens, they follow the path of dharma, and he has a duty that he sets the right examples for them to follow. And moreover, this person was blaspheming Mother Sita, who is a pure devotee, who is Mother Lakshmi, who is the internal energy of the Lord himself, and she's completely pure. She's beyond any, she's completely devoted to the loving service of Lord Rama, and there's no question about her character. She's very pure. But because this person was finding fault, and he was blaspheming the Lord and Sita Devi, it is, and like him, there can be others who may follow the same example. And by making these kind of comments, they are actually, because when you blaspheme the Lord or you blaspheme the Lord's devotees, our spiritual life gets ruined, because it's an aparad. One cannot talk about the Lord and or devotees in such a way, in such a demeaning way. So, in order to save them from making such remarks and ruining their spiritual life, to show compassion on all of them, and to set an ideal example to the whole society on his character. So he asked Lakshmana to take Sita away. And then we know how she landed up in Valmiki's ashrama, and he gave her shelter, and that's where Lava and Kusha were born. So, although he loved Sita Devi, and he personally had no doubt about her character, he sacrificed his personal comfort. He sacrificed his relationship with Mother Sita just to set an example and to save the citizens from making any blasphemous remarks. So actually it is a glory of Lord Ramchandra. It is his act of compassion upon all these citizens. And there's no question about demeaning Mother Sita. So he made a personal sacrifice. He could have enjoyed his life with Mother Sita, and he could have said, I don't care, give a damn about all your comments, go to hell. No. He did not. He took responsibility of their spiritual life. They will go to hell if they make such remarks, such nonsense statements. So they should not find any reason to find a fault with the king. So therefore, he personally sacrificed his loving relationship with Mother Sita for their benefit, to save them. So that is the right understanding. Not that he was some sadist, and we find people who don't have proper understanding, people who don't hear from acharyas, they make wrong conclusions. So does that clarify?
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Are you sure about this?
I mean, I understand that Lord Rama didn't mean to insult Sita Mata or anything. He wanted to set example, and also that was a Treta Yuga. And if the one person gets a bad this news and everything spread, everybody follows it. So obviously, as for his dharma, as for his Ram, for Raja, that he had to look after. Yeah, he has to look after his citizen, and he has to set example. I totally understand, but I think sometimes with the younger generation or mind wavers, and they just think that so that's why. So I don't have a doubt, but I was just
So I hope this helps. Yeah. Are there any other questions, please? Or any comments on today's program? Somebody else was also speaking in the beginning. I'm not sure if they have something. All right. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I did make a...
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna,
Prabhuji, there is a question in the chat. Pinto Prabhuji, would you like to take that?
It's about what is that? It's about eating grains, right? Okay, sure. So Vijay Prabhu, I've noted this question. I'll revert back to you on this.
Thank you. Thank you.
I need to confirm this, whether it is grain or not grain, and then I'll confirm that to you personally.
Okay.